वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज सोशल साइंस क्लास 8 सेमेस्टर 1 का फर्स्ट लेसन ले रही हूँ गुजरात बोर्ड की वर्कबुक। इसमें फर्स्ट लेसन है अराइवल ऑफ यूरोपियंस इन इंडिया। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है करेक्ट द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each questions and write the relevant number letter in the provided against the question. First question है Columbus was a native of Portugal. B answer है Which land did Columbus reach accidentally when he started out to discover a new sea route to India? इसका आंसर अमेरिका है। Vasco da Gama was an inhabitant of Portugal. D answer. On which day did the ship of Vasco da Gama reach Calicut port? C answer है 22nd May 1498. Where did the Portuguese first establish a fort in the year 1502 CE? इसका आंसर है कैलिकट। ए। इन विच ईयर डिड पोर्टुगीज गेट विक्ट्री ओवर गोवा? इसका आंसर है 1506 CE। विच मुगल एम्परर 7 नंबर विच मुगल एम्परर रूल्ड दिल्ली व्हेन पोर्टुगीज एस्टैब्लिश फोर्ट ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर हुगली इन बंगाल? इसका डी आंसर है शाहजहां। विच कंट्री डिड द ड्यूच पीपल बिलोंग टू? हॉलैंड। डी आंसर है हॉलैंड द नेदरलैंड। 9 है अगेंस्ट whom could the ड्यूच पीपल नॉट withstand competition? इसका ब्रिटिश आंसर है। When was the British East India Company established? 1600 CE. When did the first ship of Britishers reach in India? 1608 CE. Which Mughal emperor gave permission to the Britishers to undertake trade in Surat? Shahjahan. C answer है Which Mughal emperor gave permission to the Britisher to undertake trade in Bengal? इसका आंसर है शाहजहां। डी। नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 6। When was the French East India Company established? 1664. A. From where did the British first start to undertake trade? On the bank of river Hooghly. B answer है From which Mughal emperor did the Britisher get permission to not to give tax and undertake trade? From Jahangir. A. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? 1757 CE. Who became the Nawab of Bengal in the year 1756 CE? इसका आंसर है सिराजुद्दौला। ए। 19 When was the Battle of Boxer fought? 1764 CE. डी आंसर है Whom did the British appoint the Nawab of Bengal after the Battle of Plassey? बी आंसर है मीर जाफर। Next question, filling the blanks with proper word in the following statement. The Italian who grabbed the responsibility to find out the sea route to the India was Columbus. Second, Columbus discovered the continent of America. Third, today the native inhabitants of America are called Red Indians and the group of islands on its bank are known as the West Indian. Fourth, Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route from Europe to India. Fifth, Vasco da Gama first reached at Calicut port of India. In the year 1498, King Zamorin was ruling in Calicut. In Calicut, Portuguese built a wall on all the sides of fort and appointed a commander-in-chief, namely Olongeren, to safeguard the fort. In the year 1663 CE, Dutch people established fort in Agra. 9. Hawkins was the captain of the British ship which first came to India. The head of the French East India Company situated in India was Dupleix. Next, page number 7. 11. The British captain Hawkins obtained permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir to set up trade in Surat. Robert Clive conspired to murder Sirajuddaulah Daula. Indian history changed with the Battle of Plassey. 14. Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal after the Battle of Plassey. The British company dismissed Mir Jafar as the Nawab of Bengal and appointed Mir Kazim as the Nawab. After the death of Mir Jafar, Robert Clive became the Nawab of Bengal. Put a tick mark. Question 3. Put a tick mark in the box against the following statement if they are true or cross mark if they are false. First, Columbus discovered a sea route to India. False. Vasco da Gama was an inhabitant of Portugal. True. The British fort at Hooghly was demolished on the order of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. False. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan permitted the British to start trade in Bengal. True. The Battle of Buxar was the first battle fought by the British East India Company in India. False. The British Company appointed Mr. Kazim as the Nawab of Bengal after the Battle of Plassey. False. The British were defeated in the Battle of Buxar. False. Match the pair correctly. Question 4. 1498 CE इसका आंसर है वास्को द गामा रीच्ड इन इंडिया. 1600 CE इसका आंसर है ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वॉज एस्टैब्लिश. 1608 इसका आंसर है ब्रिटिश शिप रीच सूरत पोर्ट. 1664 CE इसका सेकंड आंसर है फ्रेंच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वॉज एस्टैब्लिश. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 8 सेक्शन ए बी. 1502 इसका 4 आंसर है पोर्टुगीज एस्टैब्लिश फोर्ट एट कैलिकट. 1663 CE इसका 5th आंसर है ड्यूच पीपल एस्टैब्लिश फोर्ट एट आगरा. 1757 CE इसका सेकंड आंसर है बैटल ऑफ प्लासी वॉज फॉट. 1764 CE इसका थर्ड आंसर है बैटल ऑफ बक्सर वॉज फॉट. Answer the following questions in 1-2 sentences each. Which Indian commodities were in great demand in European countries? The demand for Indian commodities like silk, cotton, clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in the European countries. Who made the first effort to discover a new sea route to India? Columbus, an Italian explorer, made their first effort to discover a new sea route to India? By what name are the native inhabitant of America and the group of island known as today? The native of America are called Red Indians and the island group in the Caribbean is known as the West Indies. Is known as the West Indies. Who discovered the new sea route to India? Vasco da Gama discovered the new sea route to India. When did Vasco da Gama's ship reach India? How? They encircled the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calicut. Where did Portuguese establish their fort in India? Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and island of Lanka. To which country did the Dutch inhabitant belong? Where did they establish fort in India? Answer: Dutch of Holland came to India for trading. Initially, they established fort at Calicut and Madras. Next, page 9, 8 question. Where, when and why was the British East India Company established? During the reign of Queen Elizabeth of England. In the year 1600 CE, the British established the East India Company. When and where did the first British ship land? The first British ship arrived in India at the port of Surat in the year 1608. Next 10 question. Where in India did the French East India Company establish their fort? They established factories in Surat, Makalipatnam and Pondicherry. Next 11. From where did the British first start trade in company? The British first started their trade on the bank of the river Hooghly and established fort in the year 1651 CE. 12. Who were the first and last European to arrive in India? The Portuguese were the first and the French were the last European to arrive in India. 13. Between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? What were its result? Sirajuddaula became the Nawab of Bengal in the year 1756. He was in good term with Britishers. He ordered the company not to interfere with the fort matter of state. Answer the following questions. Why did the European feel the need to discover a new sea route to India? Give reason it was necessary for European to discover a new sea route to India. Merchants from various countries came to India for trade from northwest by land route. For here, Arab trader used this land route for their trade. However, trade via land route stopped due to change situations. This increased the demand of Indians. Products like silk and cotton clothes, muslin, spices like cloves, pepper, etc. in European countries, and it becomes necessary to discover a new sea route to India, taking advantage of this situation. Many advantageous sailors from European countries tried to discover a new sea route to India. Next 10 page. Question 2. Why was Battle of Buxar fought? What was its result? Britisher dismissed mixed Zafar and made his son-in-law Mir Kazim the Nawab of Bengal. He started troubling the Britishers in the year 1764 AD. Their battle between army of Mir Kazim and the Britishers in the field by Buxar. In this battle, Britisher dismissed Mir Kazim and Mir Zafar was appointed again their Web of बंगाल. तो ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. ठीक है, तो आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही है. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.